Hi guys, and sorry my line power cut off, and as a good guy I am, I forgot to save my entire project. So watch the previous video that's been uploaded, and I'm just going to start from the scratch, and I'm just going to model the remaining parts. So let's model the remaining parts, guys. Now let me figure out how to solve these problems first. Now I'm just going to see, guys, the luck is not in my favor today. Oh my god. So I'm going to hide this. Earlier we had our reference image, guys, and we made the progress. Let me recap our progress, the earlier progress, guys. We made the barrel. If you haven't watched the video, go and watch the video, guys. So we made the barrel, and we made the hammer, we made the axe, we made the wheels, we made this compartment, we copied, duplicated, and made these two. And now we need to make this compartment, and the compartment, this log, and this and this. I will try to finish later everything, guys. So I will start from the remaining process, and I will try to finish everything again at once, so you will not miss anything, guys. It will be fresh video for you. So just watch this video, and yeah, let's move on 3D modeling. So let me hide the house image for now. This is the image. Let me hide this image and bring this down, the reference image. Let me drag this on here, and let me put it here. So guys, now let's try from where we left. So if you watched my previous video, guys, let me open my video in here, YouTube. Cinema 3D Masterminds, and here my channel. I am searching in another I'm looking at my another screen, guys, so that is why you are not able to see. So this was my previous live stream, guys, and we modeled it in the wheel level, guys. So now we are not perfectly aligned. We modeled almost the 50% of our card, guys. So we made a progress. So we were here, and unfortunately my line cut off, guys. We made the duplication, and we align it just barely that it touches the cart, the wheels of cart. So guys, now I'm going to model from the rest of the video, guys, so be sure to follow. Now I'm going to model from where we left. So we made this progress. So we made these, and in earlier we made the barrels and hammers, and the axe, guys. We made axe, barrel, and hammers, and we are stuck in this. So I will try to make this and this from the scratch, guys. So yeah, let's make it. In here I am just going to add a cube, scale it down, T to scale it down, increase its length, give it a subdivision of in display ground setting lines, subdivision of this much, 12. Now I'm going to make it editable, guys. Select these in editable. I'm selecting these cube. In here I'm going to select a loop. I'm just selecting these loops. And here I'm going to select these. I'm going to scale them down, guys. I'm going to select this face and scale this up. I'm gonna give this a bevel, guys. Everything bevel. This is kind of low poly, so don't worry, guys. But at first let me give it a subdivision, guys. It is smooth, smooth, so let me give it subdivision, loop cut. So here is our reference, so a loop cut here, a loop cut right this here, a loop cut right this here, a loop cut right this here, loop cut right this here, a loop cut for this here, the object selection mode, selecting the object, guys. Now I am just deselecting the cube, selecting these portions with my rectangle selection. I am just selecting these, bring it down, selecting these, bring a little down, again selecting this, bring a little down, giving it that arc shape, guys. So, and again I am gonna select these and scale, deselecting these, selecting these, scale them downwards, guys, bring them top, and just apply the modifier. You know, you can use the similar process to achieve the results, guys, but I am not gonna stuck in the same process for too long, so I'm gonna make it my own way. Again selecting this and making it a little bit thinner, selecting this, making a little bit thinner. So now it looks like the plank we have right there, guys. Maybe cut off the subdivision and come to here, right here, select these edges and give it a bevel, select these edges and give it a bevel, select these edges, give it a, select these edges and give it a bevel. It kind of looks like it belongs to this world, and select this as is and give it a bevel. Select this as is, select these, give it a bevel. I think nothing is wrong, but why it is separate object, guys? Again, sometimes these kind of things happen and we need to start over. We give it a loop cut and it thinks it's a separate object now. There is a way to fix it, but I am not going to teach you. I'm just going to make you able to fix certain problems without doing anything, guys. So we don't need to give it, so let's give it a subdivision again. See here, it's reading it as a separate object, guys. Drag it down, delete the subdivision, leave it as it is. So we just needed this part to look like this, and we can do the same for the top part, guys. If it lets us to do that. Again, it doesn't let us, so let's leave it. We are almost done. And for the same, to make these legs, to make these guys, we apply the same process. So let's add a cube, bring it here, scale it like this, W, move it upward, scale it now in this axis, cube object, give it a subdivision on the ground line shading, Y subdivision, and bring it like this. Select, make it editable. On the object mode, make it editable. Select the face, T to scale it. Select these faces, these, and T to scale it. Now again, this front face, T to scale it. This, T to scale them, T to scale it. Side, the loop select this, T to scale it. I used a little bit rotation, guys, so don't worry. Let's reset everything and T to rescale, T to rescale, T to rescale again, and this loop selection, T to rescale, T to rescale, all, T to rescale. And we can simply give them a bevel, guys. Bevel, select bevel, select bevel, select bevel, give this a little bit segments, select bevel. Okay, object, display, not ground shading. Now it looks like an object, but it's a little bit too smooth here, so just here we need to give it a 2 bevels, so it's almost done. T to scale, again Control A, T to scale the object. and now we have this object, guys. Now we simply control, control and drag to duplicate, select, rotate them like this. Yeah, I told you to how to fix, I taught you how to fix these problems, like these problems. Select here, bring it right here and just deselect it. T to scale, so like this, guys. T to scale like this. Select the face, scale along normal side, scale. Now voila, we have a object that looks like the supporting bull cart. And also you can select this and just select, drag, select this and drag, rotate 90 degrees to, and scale it downwards like this, and make it supporting, support like this. And also drag, control drag, make it like this. You can scale the faces to look it more bigger. So this goes right here. If I zoom, this is right here. Let's align it with here and here. So we made this, we made earlier everything, and we made this part. Now it's the hardest part, guys. It is to model that, and simply let's go to our front right view, guys, and let's see. Simply I am going to use these there is a option there's a lot of options, guys. So simply to get that shape, to get an arc shape, we need an arc. Yes, rotate like this. W, let's go in this, and this is the front. So it is facing here, so let's make it face it to the other direction, 90 degrees. Again, manipulating the arc is kind of difficult, guys, so let's rotate it like this here. 90 W, up, bring it here, bring it here, bring it here, bring it here. So simply on the edge, selection, scaling the arc here on the basics on the object, making it a ring, and the radius I'm gonna decrease the radius. Inner radius I'm gonna give it the inner radius of this much, guys, and angle, how much you like the angle, guys. Just gonna Control Z, give it this, and numbers like this, and come over here, sorry, make it editable, guys. On the loop selection, in the S here, just sorry, in here in the arc, let's not make it editable. Yeah, we are in here, so I am adding an extrusion to our arc, guys. So simply this is an arc, and I want to extrude this arc. You know, we added arc from here and we modified it in the properties as we wanted to get that shape. And now I'm selecting this, I'm selecting the extrude, and I'm going to extrude this arc. I'm selecting the extrude option and offsetting. I'm managing the offset. So simply I want it to be the length of the card. So selecting here, you know, extrude subdivision, I don't want to work on that. These two, I just want to work on the offset. So now let's make it editable, guys. Let's make this editable. Let's make, okay, let's click on the arc and let's make the extrusion editable. Let's make this extrusion editable, guys. So it is now editable, and let's go on face select mode, select these faces, extrude them down, bring like this, Control A, bring it here. So our wheel goes right there. I am not able to see the back side, so I assume it touches right here, like this. It goes down. So let me extrude this one more time. Extrude. I'm not extruding, I'm just scaling. You know, sometimes the things I say, you know, don't match up, guys. So just adding it here, and now again I'm extruding these parts too. So extrude, rotate. No, I'm not gonna extrude this. just gonna extrude this. I'm just gonna scale this, guys, not gonna extrude. Scale this and rotate everything along the I am just rotating using the position, guys. I'm not doing anything fancy, again extrude, and I'm just giving it rotation like this. I'm not doing anything fancy, guys. Again, I'm gonna do this, bring it down to this, and now I'm going to select these hole from here and bring them, select these hole from here and bring them little bit here, little bit down, little bit here, and scale these bad boys like this and bring them like this, guys. Now we have a kind of our frame of this cart, the upper part of the cart. Now select these bad boys, select these bad boys, and just select these bad boys and loop cut. Okay, loop cuts over here. We need to connect the every dots. That's for the other session, guys. I will teach you that in separate video, but currently let's focus on this. I'm going to select this, bring it on top, Control A, bring it on top, selecting these, only these, like this, bring it on top. Okay, I'm gonna select this, the exclusion sometimes, so let's just focus on this, guys. We'll focus on that later. Let's make the shape little bit peeling, Okay, the problem I found is that this is a face, not a, this is not a face, so make it a, let's make it the edge that it is, no fancy tricks, guys, just trying to figure out the shape. Again, okay, now we have kind of a shape, guys. It is not perfect, but it does the work. We will make it perfect in our later videos when I teach you the basic of connecting the faces. Select these faces, select these faces, bring them down. Loop select this loopy loop. See, the loop selection doesn't work because our face are not connected, guys. What we need a quad, a tetrad quad, but it has more than that. So let's add a now platform T right on the object, here, 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 bring it on top, bring it here. Now we are gonna do the parts we didn't had a chance to finish, so right in here we have, okay, sure, here we have the part that sticks out, and now I'm going to give it length. Come over here, now C to edit editable and loop cut. Here we give it a loop cut and here we give it a loop cut. Now select the face, come over here, select this face and extrude them up. Now select make a loop cut right, again make a loop cut right over here and right over here, and extrude these faces, extrude these faces out. Select this face, now extrude this face out. Extrude that face out. And now select these bad boys, these two, and just these and these, and bring them on top. I'm selecting now this, bring it down, bring it in front, so this works. Yes, perfect, guys. And again I am going to now what I did earlier, I'm going to do that, but before let's make a plank. So two planks, we need two planks, so one cube, scale it down, scale it this way, scale it here, scale it down again, bring it front, bring it on top, bring it here, scale it as it is needed. So here, bring it on top. This part is not here, this is quite up, so make it up. I'm gonna just delete this, guys, you will know later why, and just bring it closer to the object right here, this much. Again I'm going to add another, no, I'm going to just copy paste these planks and make it little bit wider and this one little bit shorter. Just give it a variety, guys. And now adding another cube, scaling, move up, scaling this side, move here, move up, move up, bring it right here, scale it on this side and just a little bit move here, scale it on top just it touches that. So control and paste. Let's make the width little wider and its width little wider too. No, I'm just making it on my own way, guys. I'm not just copying the object. Let's bring it little bit in front. E, bring it front, guys. So now click, 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 control and drag with your mouse. Click, click and click, guys. So now we have this, and now what we are going to do is that I'm going to select all these objects 1 2 3 4 5 6 chain, create a null, Ctrl Z, and I'm just pressing control and dragging them out here, and I am using the rotation. I'm gonna rotate them like this 180. I'm gonna bring them here. Sorry, those are in perfect line. I'm gonna rotate this to the 0 degree. So now we have perfectly modeled cart. You know, the inside of the cart is also showing, guys. So maybe there is these there is not these in the inside, it's on the outside. So let's here bring it outside. So this is the way, guys. Okay, and this is outside now. So voila, we made. Now we need to connect this so it looks like it belongs. So let's add a cube, bring it on top, scale it. We are just gonna add just a cube to make it look like it's connected. So on top, scale, just touch it so it looks like it is connected. Scale it down here, again up. Now just drag, 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 drag. Now it looks like it's connected, guys. So again, now we need to do one thing. The things we did. Okay, sorry, I was just talking to myself, and we need to now make a plank right over here. If you see the image, we have here 2 planks. So let's make those planks. W right here, T to scale, bring on top, bring right here, rotate if you need rotation, move, rotate. If you only need rotation, guys, you don't need to rotate in your videos, in your in your two models if you don't feel like rotating. W and just bring it on top. Okay, scale W, this W, this much, and these two are connected, guys, if you see in the object. So let's connect those two. Bring it here, scale this like this, and scale this, bring it here, bring on top, bring it here, scale these, bring on top, rotate if you need, rotate, scale W right here, guys. Now it looks like the references models. So now let's make a wheel, guys. I am gonna make a wheel just for the sake of tutorial, and I am going to make a platform. So it has no platform, so let's make a platform. W here, bring it here on top of here, and just bring it here, do this like this, scale it like this, and bring it there, scale it like this, bring it there, scale it like this, and just bring it there. T, bring that down. T to scale like this, guys, and again T to scale. Okay, now we have a platform, guys. I'm just gonna give this little bit textured, looks like a good platform, not that kind of fancy. It looks like good platform now. Okay, now let's give hello, guys. Hello Akash, के छ, कता गयो? सुपर च्याट, तेरै सुपर च्याट सकिया छैन, अझै सकिया छैन, लाइन गयो कि केटा, लाइन गएर फेरि गर्न लाग्यो तनाव, फेरि सुरुदेखि जहाँदेखि भ्याएको थियो त्यही गर्दैछु. And now I am simply adding the disks. I am going to rotate it towards the 90 Y, sorry, Z, in the Z axis, 90 degree. Bring it in front. T, लाइन गर तनाव दिएर यार, त्यत्रो बना कामै लागेन. भिडियो चाहिँ सेभ त छ त्यहाँ गएर हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईले हेर्न मनलाई now I wanna just make it edit no, let's give it outer inner radius 2 and let's just make it editable. Face select, Control A, extrude, create gaps, and these normals, reverse the normals, move it, any sure what kind of 3D model you wanna me to model, man? Wife's birthday, sure. And simply, and could you type your reply in chat is my audio isn't working, please show sign into chat. मलाई नै sign into chat भन्दैछ त wait sure now I am just going to use this face select, face selection mode, and I'm selecting these faces. Again the normals, I want to reverse the normals and insert them inside, extrude them, scale along normal, that's right, come extrude it along this, and well what kind of model you want me to make for your wife, man? If you can just specify. Scale it like this, and again extrude, scale it, again extrude, just extrude, and let's just collapse from here. Well, yep, let's weld. And now let me add a simple disc again and rotate it along the jet 90 degrees, bring it here. Let me know if you have, or just email, let me know if you have sent me your email, man. This W right here, I'm going to make it editable, and I am just going to extrude the face, extrude, W, Control A, like this, to make it kind of the round of a wheel. Okay, I will check it when I get off of the stream, if it's okay with you. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna see it anyways. So okay, sorry if you. Okay, sorry if the sound this could cut in some sorts by editing itself. Sorry if you sound down. I will look at that when I get off the stream, and I will get back to you if it's okay with you. Uh, when you are in stream, don't forget to subscribe, man. Just subscribe and leave a like if you like this stream. I have been on for too long, and sure I will do it on the next stream, maybe tomorrow. If that okay with you. When is your wife's birthday? If tomorrow is okay with you, then I will surely. I have been up for about an hour or 2 hours and long, so I need to, you know, take a rest sometimes. If you understand, I will surely work on your wife's gift in the next stream. So let me insert it. Extrude these faces. Oh, sorry, man. Then I surely cannot do that currently because I need to take a rest and I haven't eaten anything. So I will surely make a video on your wife's gift, by the way. Thank you, and I will surely make a video, but I cannot complete it by today, so I hope you understand. If you understand, then this is no, I'm just making a beginner tutorial, so that is why I cannot do that in this tutorial, guys. So I will do that in tomorrow's stream. I will make a separate stream for your wife. So sorry, I cannot do that right now, but I'm glad that you came and joined my stream. So now simply I'm going to control and this right here and rotate them around these axis 180. Okay, sure, I will take a look. It is a plain file, yeah. It is FVX or plain? It is plain and FVX. Okay, I'll take a look. So I'm gonna save this. These are the files. Okay. Oh my god, you have done a lot. Sorry if I make a mistake. Where is the camera? Camera. Have you animated this? You haven't. This looks great, man. So you have textured, you have used the texture, you are, wow, this is quite good. Yep. You know, I need to figure out everything, man, and it will take quite a long time for me to simply figure out what you have done with your let me watch it on the render. You haven't used any lights, it's a simple light. Okay, good. There are too much bones to work with. Oh my god. In my 3D, I don't know what happened. Sure. I need to look at your model in off stream, because there is lot to see and lot to look at, because you have a lot of bones that needs to be animated, I think. And I know you made that bone to position your model, and it is great, man. That model was really a great model. Yeah. Again, I'm going to add it. It is a great model, yes, surely. Oh, there are no hands. These are just ribbons. I thought these are hands, man. Sorry. And I tried to, and you have a lot of joints. And if you could give me the reference of the position you want, reference of the pose, just give me and I will try off stream. I will make a video, but certainly I cannot provide you currently everything. So Wow, this model is certainly great, and I see you have worked a lot. And yep, it's nice, nice, nice. What the? It's a great model. And could you please give me the pose that I can help you with? आकाश के छ ठिक छ thank you Mr. Crafts for joining my stream. Yeah, don't forget to just subscribe to my channel if you are here. This is great. Okay, so sorry if this sounds stupid, but could turn this cut into some sorts, like editing the cut itself. Sorry if that sounds dumb, and if I don't mind how you do it. Sort of like Nimona from Pokemon's. I don't even know the Nimona, man. Let me search. Nemon, Nimona from Pokemon. Let me see videos, images. Those are the paint kind of sorts. Okay, let me see. Why the just going to hide this. Okay, you have texture. This ribbon, this skirt. Are these the same object? I can just model a skirt and just try to fit. You already have it. You just need to, man. You don't need to do anything. You have here. If this is a separate, if this is a sculpt, then there will be a problem. But if this is just a face, then you can select it, extrude it out, and yeah, model the skirt. You know, this skirt. You don't need to do to model anything, man. I am just going to give you the ideas. If you like them, you can use it, but you know, you can just delete the skirt. You can just remove the skirt, and you can just work on here. You just don't need to play with this. You just need to use this as a base of your sorts, and you can do it. The sorry, yeah, you can turn these no, you cannot you can just delete these skirts and you can turn these cyan color skirts into the shorts, man. You don't need to do those you know, struggle of modeling editing these whole skirts. You can just turn these into the shorts, these into shorts, man. You can just turn these into shorts. So I hope I helped you. Uh-huh. See, you can no you can just select these parts. Okay, let me show you. You can just select these, yes, this whole section, and you can just extrude them. You know, you can just extrude them and make them shorts, man. If you are good at sculpting, you can just make them shorts. You don't need to do the whole process of editing these skirts, you know, merging the lines. This is square, this is the triangle, this is not a quad. So yeah, I think you remeshed the sculpt. Maybe you sculpt this and you remeshed it, and now we have this. So yep, just select these and extrude them, and if you are good at sculpting, then you can sculpt to get the result, man. Just extrude them and sure you will get the result. And sorry, I cannot work on this currently. I am making a totally beginner tutorial, so maybe later I will look at your model, because you know that's a good model and I would love to. And guys, thank you for joining the stream, and it's been a 2.5 hour, and now I need to eat something. So let's wrap up this session here, and thank you for joining my stream. And yep, if you are here, like, subscribe and comment on my sections. So thank you guys, see you in my next video.